All right. So in our ongoing class, for our second song by ear in the key of C, doing the 2-5-1 chord progression, the D minor, G7 to 1. We're going to go, oh dear, what could the matter be? Or we'll do it, oh dear, what could the matter be? Not the best key to sing in. Let's just do it from the C to the G7 first, and then we'll go back and we'll do the chord substitution. So it's a waltz. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny's so long at the fair. I'm having to compress my kidneys and my liver to hit those high notes. Let me see if I can go down an octave, take a little sip of some testosterone here. All right, so let's try it with the chord substitutions and see what we come up with. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny is so long at the fair. Let's try it again. Oh dear, what could the matter be? D minor. Oh dear, G7, what could the matter be? C. Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny is so long at the fair. And just for fun, let's add a C and a C major 7 and a C6, because we can. Here's a C, C major 7, C6, so it'll be, oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Oh dear, what could the matter be? Johnny is so long